Welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, term matching quick guide, exact and custom matching option. When adding an entry to your term base, you have the option to set the matching setting that memoQ will use to recognize entries in the translation grid. Selecting the right setting will help improving compliance with your terminology. Today, we'll explain the exact and custom matching option. Exact matching. memoQ recognizes in the translation grid the words that are identical to the entry. For example, if the entry is act, memoQ will recognize act, but not action, actor, or activate. Custom matching. With custom matching, you use a wildcard character, a pipe in the middle of the word, or an asterisk at the end of the word. memoQ recognizes in the translation grid the words that match the base word and will recognize all variation after the wildcard. Here are some examples. Project with an ending asterisk. memoQ will recognize projects and projections. Dynasty with a middle pipe. memoQ will recognize dynasties. Articulation with a middle pipe. memoQ will recognize articulation, articulaire, and articulatoire. Quartier with the middle pipe. memoQ will recognize quartiat, quartiac, and quartiacot. Thank you for watching.